We're still watching for snow on Friday. I do think that it's going to be one of these systems where it's, right on the edge of rain versus snow. There's going to be a lot of melting, but there's a bigger concern for Saturday morning with how cold the temperatures are going to get. There could be some really icy roads that are moving on in. So let's take a look at the timing here. This is for Friday midday, lasting until about Friday evening. So think like lunchtime to dinner time. We're going to see that snow moving on through. Again, a lot of this kind of a mix, melting, but I do think it's possible that while this is showing an inch for the metro area, I think that's fairly unlikely, especially given the fact that it's been so warm. But the foothills into the divide or over the divide certainly could stack up a slushy inch or two. Mountains, we saw, yesterday, just how much of an impact even a small amount of snow can have. Statewide, this doesn't go too far south. We might get a couple of inches down in the Springs, but that is about it when we're talking about how much snow we're expecting. And I wish it was more. I also wish we were getting more moisture out of this in general. You can see statewide, probably less than 0.2 of an inch for most of us. We're not going to complain about any moisture, but certainly could use a lot more. Now, here we go. From Friday, we're going to be in the low 40s, and some models are even putting us in the 30s. If this trend's colder, this could actually stack up. But by Saturday morning, all of that melting, all of those wet roads, going to freeze over, especially bridges and overpasses. So if you are driving early on Saturday morning, those temperatures are going to be dropping down into the mid 20s. That's also going to have an impact when we're talking about any planting that you might have done. I know that the tulips are up. They can usually survive something like that. But if you have any sensitive vegetation that you planted a little early, I would definitely take care of that. Then we're back in the 50s on Saturday and back in the 70s by Sunday.